Hey guys, this is Scion Xb 2005 and we are gonna be replacing fuel injector repair kit. These are seals that go on the injectors. I remove the cover, so we gotta disconnect all the wires. You will need to replace these if you have broken ones like we do, so we will be replacing them as well. But that would be a separate video on that. So we're gonna remove these. So we need access to those bolts right there. So we gotta remove this one. And that's why we're removing this one.
You need a new filter, I'm sure. Looks dirty.
Or clean it.
Now we have the spot to work.
Okay, so everything is removed. We have access here. It's size 12. You can hang the wire like this.
Here we go. This is the bolt.
Bolt right there. Okay, so we pulled out.
See, this is supposed to be round, like those new. See, and they're supposed to be rubber seals and soft. Let's see if they're soft.
Okay, so it's not that bad, but there are some cracks on it.
It breaks.
Oh, it breaks. Okay, so it is
dry.
The
rubber is dry.
Okay, these are the new ones.
Yeah, we're gonna install new ones. Hold on.
Okay, so we will not be replacing these right here. These right here, because you have to like pull them out from here, and we don't want to break the injector, so we will be only replacing the seals. Okay. Okay, so we're installing new seal.
See how new goes on? It's just straight, not like squeezed and all over the place.
So you don't want any fuel leak.
And vacuum leak.
And
the most important.
Leak, yeah.
The vacuum leak happens. That's what it's important. Vacuum leak is even more important.
Okay, now let's put it back.
Okay, something like that.
Okay, now align them so that thing fits. And put the bolts in.
Check them that they're all good. And they are at the moment.
So that's how you replace the seals on the injectors. So if this video was helpful, like the video and also subscribe to my channel.